Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Maylin Vicarido, 38 years old. I have two children, one boy and one girl. My husband worked as an electrician. I finished my study at FAMI National High School. I work as a domestic helper in Philippines and Hong Kong. My duties and responsibilities are washing clothes and dishes, cooking, gardening and marketing, and taking care of children. Give food at a time, and also bring them at the school, and I love them as my own children. Ma'am, sir, if you choose me as a domestic helper, I will promise to you that I finish my 2 years contract, and also I promise to you that I will do my duties and responsibilities. Thank you.